Hello, I love you. Won't you tell me your name? Hello, it's Rhonda of Rhonda Said. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to this video. It's my party and I'll cry if I want to. It's my birthday! Yay! July 1st is my birthday, and this video is me getting ready to go out to lunch with my friend to a bougie little bakery restaurant. Yes, because it's my birthday and I get to celebrate. I just want to celebrate. Yeah, so not only am I celebrating my birthday by doing a pretty look, I'm also doing a giveaway. What? Yes. So today it's my birthday, but you're going to get a present, maybe if you're the winner. So what I'm going to do is get ready with you. And I've already got my base and my brows and my blush and my bronzer and, you know, all that stuff on. So I'm going to do a look with the Bridgerton palette from Pat McGrath. It's one of my very favorites. I go to it again and again. And at the end of the video, I'll tell you what you have to do to win. Now, just off the bat, YouTube's not responsible for anything that I do today. My giveaway is just me giving away stuff that I've either won or purchased or gotten in a subscription box. 2, you must be 18 years old or older to win. You must have a U.S. shipping address. You must use the key phrase and the words "enter me" to be entered and win. And the drawing will take place 1 week from today. So it's not that long. So, and if you share it out, that might help me help you win. I don't know. Share it out. So this is the Bridgerton palette, and it is spectacular. And I am going to jump into this color right here, Rocher. And I don't know, it is called Duchess Divinity. I'm just going to put it in my crease. This palette is just so beautiful, and I just make the prettiest looks with it. And, you know, it's one of the $65 palettes, I think, is how much it cost. Because it's just 6 pans, but it's nice. And there's like a little bees. There's bees. And I just love bees. And how old am I? None of your beeswax. Just kidding. I'm very proud of how old I am. I am 54 today. And I think I look pretty damn good for 54. I am over 70 pounds down from my highest weight. And I am 50 pounds down from my most recent high weight. So that's very exciting. So I'm doing the work. I'm working out. I'm eating right. And things are happening. So it's a really exciting time to be Rhonda. I'm going to go into this center color with the bee and just warm this up a little bit with this pink. Oh, it's so pretty. It's making the bee disappear, but making my eyes appear. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, so pretty. Vacant. That's some Sex Pistols. I'll do just enough of a song so I don't get in trouble. I don't want to get in trouble with the copyright gods, because they are all powerful and all knowing. Don't mess with me, fellas. I own 51% of the company. I go here and just buff out this top. This beautiful light shimmer. I'm just blending and blending. This palette is so beautiful. I love it so much. And I'm going to put my finger into this beautiful blue shimmer. And it makes my green eyes blue. No, it doesn't. But it does make for a beautiful pop of color. Oh, it's so beautiful. Got that big D energy. Come on, Lizzo. I love Lizzo's new song. It is so good. I don't know enough of it to sing it, but it's about time. I know that's in it. What am I doing for my birthday? I'm going to lunch today. I always sign up for free birthday stuff from restaurants and companies, and I got my Sephora birthday gift already. I ordered something last week and it came with that, and it's so pretty. Oh, I got it under my eye. That's not so bad. I'm going to go back in with this flat brush and go into this color here with this lady. Darken up my outside there. Give it some depth. So yeah, so every year if you sign up for Red Robin Rewards, you know, the burger place, every year you get a free burger and fries. And so I usually always get my Red Robin on. There's the cake store, Nothing Bundt Cakes, and I usually get a free little mini bundt cake from them. I am getting a free sub from Jersey Mike's. I'm getting a free waffle from Waffle House. I'm not eating all this at the same time. I can actually spread it out over a while. They give you some time to do that. If I went to Denny's, I can get a free Grand Slam. What else am I getting? I'm getting rich, y'all, off the free stuff. I'm not really getting rich, but it's cool. It's super cool. And if you sign up for Baskin Robbins, you can get a free scoop of ice cream. There's like a million things that you can do. I don't do all of them, but it's fun to get free stuff on your birthday. I'm going to do some eyeliner and mascara, and I'll be right back. Voila, I have mascara and eyeliner on, and I'm trying the Maybelline Lash Sensational Sky High mascara, and for the first time, straight out the gate, it's not too bad. I think once it gets a little air in it and it dries out a little, I like it a little bit better. But I just did pretty much one coat, and my lashes look pretty good. So, not too shabby. And speaking of Maybelline, I love Super Matte Stay Ink. It's my jam. And I'm going to put it on a nude, which is Seductress number 65, which is my favorite. It's just a perfect nude for me. And that looks so great. I feel very special and pretty. And now that I've got my lips on and my face on, you're ready to hear the magical words that will enter you into my contest. And what am I giving away? Free stuff, makeup, skincare, maybe some body stuff. It'll be great because it's a gift from me to you, and I absolutely have fantastic taste if I do say so myself. So it's my birthday, and today, instead of a regular birthday cake, I'm going to go to get cake from the Cheesecake Factory, and it's going to be coconut cream pie cheesecake. I had it last year and I loved it, And I've been so good that I am going to allow myself to have a few bites of that. What kind of cake would you like for your birthday? That's what I want you to put in the comments. Enter me in what kind of cake you want for your birthday, and I will use a random comment picker with the qualifying comments, and I will make an announcement the day of the drawing, which is, it'll be next Friday the 8th, and I'll make a video and say the winner and show the winner's name, and you'll have 48 hours to get back in touch with me to claim your prize. If you don't do that, then someone else will be chosen randomly with a comment picker. So have a great day or day of your choice, and happy birthday to me. Bye.